Introduction to Python Programming, Part 1. I will explain about 3 subtopics of Python programming. 1. Python reserved keywords. 2. Python identifiers. 3. Python comments. 1. Python reserved keywords. These are Python keywords or reserved words in Python. They are case sensitive. All these keywords are written in lowercase except true, false and none. 2. Python identifiers. An identifier in Python is a name given to entities like class, variables and functions. Identifiers help to differentiate one entity from another. Identifiers can be a combination of letters in lowercase or uppercase, A to Z, or digits, 0 to 9, or an underscore. Example: my underscore var returns the number 1 to 5. 3. Python comments. One of the most important practice in Python is providing comments in while you write your code. You don't want people to have hard time figuring out what is going on in your code. In fact, writing a comment actually helps you to figure things out easily later on when you revisit your code. Python gives you the flexibility to write comments in your code. You can use the hash symbol to write a comment.